March 13th, 2021, around 12:56 in the morning, guys. Check this out. This truck backs up 47th Street, sits there with its bright headlights on facing down the street. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Hold on just a second. Check this one out. This is what they get to do. Look at this old truck. Isn't he a sharp one here? Look at that. Almost 1 a.m. Boy. Wow. Interesting. A lot of druggies over here in this area. Oh, my. Yeah, I could smell the weed tonight from next door here even. I'm going to have to go out, I guess, to Independence out there and talk to somebody. Interesting. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on, guys. Oh, let's see if I could bring him back here. Hold on just a second. Hold on, guys. Well, there's the truck. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that something? Boy, there must be a big ring over here, only thing I can figure. There must be. Interesting, huh, guys? Hold on just one more second. Well, that's pretty good. It's kind of a, what is that, turquoise blue? We should be able to identify that one pretty good. Look at that. Let's see if I can back this up just so you can see it go through all the way. Look at this. There it is. Anyway, guys, have a good one.